try and do a lap around here. I'm gonna try and do a lap. This part, I think I'm gonna do, like, let's do this. Okay, and I'll sit here. Wow, I'm a bad jumper. Oh man, almost. Ow. If you want to see Aussie car when Pokey's Aussie car and my Aussie car, you have to do say like 40 likes or something. 5 likes. So 3 likes, really Pokey? No, it's 5 likes. If you want to see another one. And don't forget, it will go up by 5, but when it gets to 10, it will go up to 10. I'm going to try and do the full thing. Actually, probably not going to be able to, so... well, the Aussie cars that we're getting is actually for this type of track. We call what you are sitting on. See? We call this. We call that. This right here. We call that the boomerang. Up here. So, set this down right here.
Just hold them up.
So B for boomerang and G for grass. G up here, G down there. Those arrows everywhere. This is the type of car we're getting, like a drift car, right? Like you could talk.
Really, Chayton?
Yes.
You want to show them the rims that we got?
Boomerang in the middle. The rims?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just stack them up nicely here.
Here, why don't you move them to the middle of the track? Chayton.
Okay.
And you can lay them all out. You can get, yeah, just all those 3. Chayton, no. Just get these 3 of it. Yes, we get it. They make noises.
There's one of each for this one.
You gotta tell them the types of tires on them.
What?
What's this one here? What type of tire is that one?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
A hard plastic, right? Yeah, plastic tire.
What's the middle one here? Why don't we do this?
A kind of bouncy plastic, right?
It's not plastic. It's... What are these made out of?
Rubber. It's rubber.
It's hard
My
rubber.
bad. Forgive me there.
What's the last one?
The last one is rubber.
Soft rubber.
Oh. Is that why it's squishy?
Mm-hmm.
It makes a squeaking noise, like a squeaky
This one
toy.
makes a squeaky noise.
Yeah. Big squeaky noise. So, Pocky, can we talk
Really?
Yes. What? Seriously?
You know what happens?
Well, didn't you crash into the...
Chevy.
Yeah. It crashed into the semi and then a whole trunk came flying out.
And we taped it up because it got cracked even more.
Yeah. It got cracked all the way to here. Yeah, it was a pretty big crack, but don't remember most, and yeah, all I can remember is this trunk coming flying out. But there is one more thing, but only that I did to it. I was starting to drive it very good, I was starting to get used to it, but then, all of a sudden, I go over near the garden and crash. Some of these things get broken. Yeah, it was a pretty bad crash. Probably got a piece of tape stuck to this wheel.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, we used up a lot of tape trying to build this truck.
A roll of duct tape and almost a whole roll of masking tape.
Yeah.
Almost a
And
second roll of duct tape.
another roll of duct tape. I'm surprised we didn't have to use the second roll of duct tape.
We are using it.
Of that tape.
That's the second roll of masking tape.
Yeah, it was pretty hard to...
Why don't you tell them what we're going to do with that box?
Oh.
Lay it down where that fixture is.
Completely forgot.
Other side. Right there. Lay it down flat. Nope. Other side.
There we go. Okay, so
Tell them what we're trying to make it.
we're trying to make this like a garage, right?
Mm-hmm.
A garage. Let me just pop open these drawers for you. There. They can only come out one way. So this one over here
It's going to
is
be yours.
mine. And this one over here is his.
Change that shit. I don't want to be in a video.
Come on. You're already helping with it.
I'm recording it.
Yeah. I was just trying to get it lined up. Okay.
Why don't you get it and...
Wait, did I say what these were for yet?
Nope.
Well, this one with the L in it is for leader. And then this one that kind of has a tone to it is follower. If the leader spins out, the follower wins. Or if the leader goes out, the follower wins. But if the follower goes out, or it spins out,
Or if the
passes,
leader pulls away, the leader wins. If the follower keeps up until they get to the end of the track, the follower wins.
Yeah, but if this guy, mine, will be a follower, if he spins out, for me, I don't win. He wins. Let me just show you this again. Actually, Funky, why not you get a close-up view? Like a far-away view. Like all the way up.
So it goes from start to...
The finish.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, we didn't mention one thing. This is the entrance and exit. Right?
Mm-hmm. And it was all made with tape.
Yep. All of this is just duct tape and masking tape. That's all what it is.
You want to tell them how to make their own track?
I bet you could do it, but you guys could do it. It will
Here.
take like a day.
Tell them what they need. They need paper, right?
Yeah.
A
Plans,
Sharpie,
duct tape.
masking tape.
Yep. Any kind of duct tape you want to use, or
We
any.
just use silver
Yeah.
for the border. The duct tape's for the border. The masking tape we used for
Over
the
here we just went for
outlays.
pull out. Over here we just went for pull out for the entrance and exit.
But first, before you do anything, you want to figure out what your base is going to be, figure out how long it's going to be.
Yeah.
This line right here is 11
We
feet.
made it a little longer than what what it is in the picture, right?
And then that line there is 80 inches altogether.
Yeah. You can see there's a little bump here because, well,
We wanted to extend it, right?
we kind of had a little bump. We didn't want to move this stuff out of the way. And, well, we still want to extend it some more, so we kind of had to just move a little bit of stuff out, and yeah. If you hear me coughing and sniffling, it's just I think it's like a little sickness that just makes me coughing and sniffling.
It's
But
you're getting over a cold.
yeah, I'm getting over it. I'm barely doing it.
Here, why don't you tell them what
I
this
haven't
box is
coughed
for?
Today or the other day.
Why don't you tell them what this box is for?
This?
Mhm.
So you have to turn.
No, you don't turn there. It's the other way around.
You go in here.
Nope.
Right?
You see how it goes
Oh.
smooth to right there?
Yeah.
And you go around. As you're going sideways,
Touch this.
yeah, you can try it with your back wheel. Hang
And
on,
then
wait up. You could try, like your back wheel would usually be here. You can try and go wider and hit it there.
And then you have to come out and then finish.
Or you can keep going.
All that. I was expecting like 3 laps or more or less. But whatever we want anyways. Yeah, I think we're gonna do like 3 laps. Well, when we get our own cars, this car is really broken.
It's not broken. It just needs a new servo.
Well, it was really, really broken.
No?
The tile was like,
Oh yeah, you broke it.
it was like, it was bent.
Because you snapped the axle.
Yeah, I snapped like this part, snapped this part right here. Trying to move the wheel thing. Right
And it doesn't
there.
turn anymore.
Yeah. I kind of broke it a little too much.
Daddy fixed it though, right?
Yeah, at least he fixed it half. Right.
No,
Just need one more thing and that's it.
that went out after he fixed it. Like a month or 2, 3 months.
One more thing and then he's done fixing it.
No, Grandpa and I are gonna put it in.
Oh.
Actually, I could probably put it in by myself.
Okay.
Anything
Well-
else you want to show them?
Actually, why don't we give them a little, yeah.
Oh
Of the
yeah,
basement and upstairs a little.
they already did that.
Yeah, but this
Anyways,
part
the rest of the
way
basement's a mess.
more- Yeah, but
Chain. No.
a little bit. This cat play with it. Oh, if you see a plastic straw shoot up, that is because we have Ziggy. Ziggy loves shooting plastic straws when he's bored. You can easily tell when he's bored. Because he'll just have a plastic straw in his mouth. It's completely bendable now. Ziggy, why'd you do this? It's probably not down here.
It was.
Actually, I might have an idea to get one of the kitties out from hiding. Oh, there he is. Hi, Ziggy. Sorry.
I can't see him, it's too dark.
Ziggy, get down here.
Here he comes. Come on, Ziggy.
Look at him. Yep, this is Ziggy. Remember him from the last videos? From when he was a kitten? He's all big boy now. He's a big boy now.
No, he's going
When
to
you
the
want him to
bathroom.
not bite you, you have to say, no bite. Bad boy, no bite.
Here, Chayton, come over here.
See? Still no bite. But you're not a bad boy yet. You still haven't bit me yet. If he bit me, then we'll be in big trouble.
You want to end the video here?
So,